Well, what do you think of the shirt, eh? 20 quid.
You've been ripped off, mate. It's a fake.
Eh?
Excuse me, sir. Hi, we're looking for people to take part in the Zortel Challenge. Just wondering if you'd be interested.
Oh, that'd be great. Canny, I've got an audition, you see, for the High Road.
Oh.
I'm getting the chance to play the baddie. Cut off my land.
Oh, right, well, we'll just get away then.
No. It's just me acting.
Oh.
See, I'm an actor. Cut off my land.
Well, would you be interested?
No, I can't.
It's £1,000.
Where do you want me?
You're just inside your front door. I'll ring the doorbell.
Hey, I'm ahead of you there. Actually, I'm an actor. So you come to the door, you ask a lot of daft questions.
Yes.
Right.
That's about the size of it,
That's
aye?
fine, that's fine.
Okay.
Zortel, you say?
Zortel.
Zortel.
Yeah. Just check. Ready to go there, sir? He's away. Excuse me, sir. Are you ready to go?
Do you want to read through the letterbox?
No.
No, right enough, that'd be stupid, wouldn't it?
A bit alive on this too. I don't look. Alright, ready to go? Right? Okay. Let's see if we can find a washing.
Who calls it this ungodly hour?
Oh, what happened to you?
Well, I'm trying to give the impression it's morning time. It's supposed to be the morning.
Right, well, don't worry about giving the impression it's morning. We don't know what time the advert's going to be broadcast.
All right.
So if you could go and get yourself cleaned up, maybe lose the dressing gown, just come to the door. You're very surprised. We ask you if you like Zortel.
Okay.
Okay?
Just try it again.
Yeah, we'll just try it again.
Don't want this.
No, thank you. That's
Zortel.
Zortel.
Right.
Let's see if we can find a washing.
Oh, what a surprise. Good morning, or whatever time of day it is.
Hello, sir. Do you like Zortel?
I love Zortel. I would never drink anything else.
Well, it's Zortel. It's a washing up powder, mate.
Oh, I see. Imagine drinking the washing up powder. That would be fat and bubbles.
Could we,
Try again.
could we try another one, please?
Zortel.
Right. Let's see if we can find a washing.
What a surprise. Who's that at the door? Who can that be? Who is it? Oh, it's yourself. Hello. Good
Hello, sir.
Yes, hello, Ronald.
Ronald?
Yes.
Do you like Zortel?
Oh, yes, it's my favourite washing powder ball. What?
Have you got a washing on at the moment?
Probably.
Could we see it?
Here? No. I can take you in if you want to have a look. Come in. Why don't you come in? Come in. Come on in. Zortel. This is my hall. Just in here. This is where the washing is. This door's a bastard. Always keep it. There you are, perfect. Thanks to Zortel.
Cut, Stevie. Ronald, those are women's knickers.
I know. You see, this actually isn't my house. This is my auntie's house.
What's going on, Ronald?
Is that £1,000 cheque or cash?
Piss off! Come on, Stevie, let's go.
It was very lately in an advert there, Auntie Jean. Nickers heard it for me.
Funky groovy spieling rock disco 80. All the hits magical dirty 80s. Parfum CD including Madness, Scorpions, Bananarama, Hugo Crankle. Blind funky puppy shanana, shanana. Rock Disco 80, including Stranglers, Sam Fox, Billy Idol und Der Machine spielen.
Ich liebe Schinken. Ich liebe Schinken.
Nicht available ungeschaffen. Contact in Dusseldorf PO Box 16. Rock Disco 80, including Bon Jovi, Billy Ocean und Heidi Klum.
It's my lover. It's my lover.
Rock Disco 80. 5 CDs forming completing collection der Creppin' Euro shit pup.
You want to see me, Chris?
Aye, come on in, Davy, take a seat. Well, you know we've got CCTV now in your route. Canal Bridge Street.
And?
Take a look at this. I need to ask you for an explanation, Davy.
Chris, that woman is absolutely reeking of piss. She's rotten.
Fair dues, Davy. You going to the match tonight?
Oh, yes, I'll be there, yep.
And Fiona, you're here too. Welcome to week 4 of your antenatal classes. Now, we may have a wee bitty of a problem today. Angela, you weren't here last week, were you?
No.
It's just that we're going to be concentrating on breastfeeding, and did ask the girls to leave the boys at home.
Oh, I see.
Oh, come on. I took the afternoon off work to be here today.
Yes, I fully appreciate that. However, we will actually be practicing breastfeeding, and a lot of the ladies do feel a wee bit uncomfortable getting them out, as it were. Tell you what, why don't we take a wee poll? All the ladies who do feel uncomfortable with a man being in the room, please put your hands up.
What if Brian got his plums out?
Sorry?
Well, if we all got our norks out and Brian did the same with his cobblers, would that make everyone feel okay?
Right. Well, let's get started then. If you could just begin by unfastening your bras for me, ladies. And Brian, if you could just uncage your conkers.
It's your turn.
I'll give you a song, right? There's a country road I know where the lifestyle's kind of slow. Where the hills and mountains come right up to face ye. There's a petrol station there, run by a really nice man with silver hair.
Who is very, very old and never can quite place you.
So just fill up your tank.
Neglect to pay the daft old wank.
'Cause he's far too slow to get off his arse and chase ye. Camcorder D60 with liquid crystal display monitor. Excellent choice, my man. Excellent choice.
Totally spot on choosing my man.
Top selection, top buy.
Top picking Duderino.
Thank you. And will you be requiring our extended 5-year warranty guarantee?
Categorical, unequivocal, undeniable, total peace of mind.
No thanks. Alan, show the man how you sleep with our extended 5-year warranty guarantee. Now show the man how you sleep without it. What's the problem?
Where's my prized pub corner?
It's been stolen!
Sue hasn't stolen!
Requiring guarantee?
Absolute peace of mind.
Yes, yeah, all right.
It's a total shock. It is the biggest star we've ever had in this hotel. Thanks for being so discreet. Can't you believe it? I've got all his albums.
It's all right, darling, we'll do it.
I'm no English teacher, but I do know a good play when I see one. And Romeo and Juliet is just that.
Miss, this book's a lot of rubbish. Imagine killing yourself because of a lassie.
Well, I don't really expect you to understand much about romance, Kenneth. I suppose it's also a load of rubbish if a smooth man decides to bring a lady flowers. Or if he makes sure she's got enough stock cubes for the soup. Or if he pops her tights in the oven so that they're warm for her when she comes out the bar. I think you've got a lot to learn about romance, eh, girls?
Miss, you'd probably be in the family side though. You'd probably try and stop Romeo and Juliet seeing each other.
No, I would not. No, I think that the families are very much in the wrong here. You should never stand in the way of true love.
Does that mean if you were my mammy, you'd let my boyfriend climb in through my bedroom window during the night?
No, indeed I would not allow any daughter of mine to have dirty-minded boys climbing through her bedroom window. But, well, in the play, it's different because, you know, if you read it, it says that, look, just because you don't understand the play doesn't mean you have to give yourself a showing up by asking me such stupid questions. This is about thwarted passion and the like.
Miss, Juliet's only 14, so you must think it's all right for 14-year-olds to get passionate with each other then?
No, I don't. I never said that.
So you are on the side of families then?
No, I'm on the side of the star-crossed lovers, like it says on the play.
So you do think it's all right for 14-year-olds to have sex?
Tracy Snedden, you can teach me about Shakespeare when you come to school with your face the same colour as your neck. Now everybody, with your heads down and just read.
Miss, can we do that book Animal Farm next?
Oh, Kenneth, I didn't know that you had an interest in George Orwell's work.
It's just, I found the video of it up in my uncle's loft, and there's this brilliant bit in it. A woman walks into a pigsty.
Right! That's enough!
Mr. McNulty, a bit of bad news for you today. We're cutting your benefits.
What? You?
Before you go any further, Mr. McNulty, I have heard all the insults. I possess an officious face, the kind of face you would never tire of slapping. I'm going bald, so therefore I'm baldy. I wear specs, so I'm a baldy, specky bastard. This cardigan I'm wearing makes me look like a child molester. I'm probably a poof, I don't know. I've not had my nat kind cold for about 6 years. And I have a fat arse. So, to recap, I'm an officious, baldy, specky, fat arse, child molesting poof who doesn't get his hole.
Oh, I'm glad I got that off my chest.
Excuse me, can we film some porn here?
Oh, no, I'd love to help you there, pal, but I've just reseeded all that bit. The carrots need their space, you know.
No, that's cool, that's okay. No porn today.
All right, then. Good luck.
Mayhem. It's only 10:15.
C4 playing up again.
It's never too early for a fusilier.
That was rank! You play like a bunch of fairies! Billy, call yourself a defender, you should be right up that boy's arse! The three in the middle, you play like a bunch of hairdressers! Nae fight, nae fire, nae bottle, nae desire, and who the hell are you two?
Oh, that's the banter done with James.
Best of luck in Act 2, boys.
Here's some cards with symbols on them. What I want you to do is guess the symbols on the cards, and this should test you for ESP.
I always knew I was special.
Yes, quite. We just,
Sometimes I can tell when the phone's going to ring.
Yeah. Can we begin? Okay, off you go, first card.
That's a star
Well done, lucky. Yes.
called Carol.
Pardon?
I don't know where I get the names for, I just know that star's called Carol.
It's my wife's name.
There you are.
Right.
Hey, that's a square.
Oh, that's quite something, 2 for 2.
It's called Jeremy, that square.
My name's Jeremy. Right, this one.
That's a triangle. That's a triangle between Carol and Jeremy and Graham.
Graham. That's my gardener's name, Graham.
Well, one of the corners of that triangle's definitely called Graham.
Really? Right, this one.
2 wavy lines. It's Carol and Graham waving goodbye to Jeremy.
Oh, are they now? Right. This one.
It's a cross. Jeremy's very cross.
Yes, that's right, I am. This one.
Oh, garden shears, I can see that's garden shears and blood! Lots of blood and the shears are stabbing and they're sticking in and they're stabbing the blood's
What's
all
on the
over
card?
place. There's a diamond!
What's on the... No, you see, it's a circle. So you had me going there. It's a circle. Thanks for coming in.
Hands in tight, knees together, and swing the legs up. Simmer down.
For the last time, Leanne, you are not getting rings in your eyebrows. You look like something out of Star Trek. No boy will bloody look at you. Never mind the buts. I am not having my daughter cutting about with a pile of Meccano sticking out her forehead, and that's it.
Well, can I have a tongue stud?
I suppose so. At least you don't see that as much. Get a tongue stud, pal.
Good choice, Leanne Hen. You'll have the boys queuing up.
Why would that be?
It improves the old fellatio technique, know what I mean?
Eyebrows.
Come in. What's your problem?
Well, big man, it's my roommate, you know, Gary. I'm trying to study and he's totally blaring his radio, you know. I'm like, Gary, turn that down. I'm trying to study. He's like that. No, can't I get any peace?
Is a problem really about the radio, or is a problem with the fact that you're a student and you've never had your whole? See, since I became student advisor at this university, I've learned to think a wee bit more about people's problems. I'm looking at you and I'm thinking, you're going to need the big man to sort you out with a wee bird. Now, my niece Chanel, she's into guys like you. The kind of guys that burst out greeting as soon as they get a float of their Volvic. Wee sensitive, well, I don't want to say poofs, but bum boys, you know what I mean?
You got a number, big man?
No, I don't. But you'll find it in the gents' lavvy was listed under I want a tussle with your cheesy muscle. She asked me to put it up there. Now you get it fired into Chanel, then you'll be a real man. Then you go and find the boy, you take the tranny off him, and you stick it that far up his arse, he'll be farting the archers for 6 weeks. He'll your way out. Send the next one in.
Cheers, big man.
Right, before you open your mouth, why you dress like that?
I'm just expressing my individuality, big man, yeah?
Shut it, fanny paws. Are you dressed like a bud because you're no getting your hole?
Yes.
Right, my niece Chanel.
Excuse me. Can we film some porn?
I don't know. I'm only guarding the plates. You'd have to write to the council with a letter or something.
That's cool. No, that's good, honestly. Not today.
No fielding?
No porn also.
Sorry.
Please, can we have some order, please? Now, as you all know, the salary increases were rubber stamped at last quarter's meetings.
Oh, please. And 3 weeks after that meeting, there was 300 layoffs at the Craigwall plant. And 2 weeks after that, there was a further 100 announced. Now, this company's on the slide. How in this climate can that man sit there and justify a 50% wage increase for himself?
Here, 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 here.
Milk, lemonade, chocolate. Milk, lemonade, chocolate. Milk, lemonade, chocolate. Milk, lemonade, chocolate. Milk, lemonade, chocolate.
Did you move that motor?
Aye.
What that Glen Eagles doing Saturday? Any good?
Oh. Hello, champagne, ice sculptures, smoked salmon. You want to see the Fandan? Fandan.
Fan dancer. Don't mind if I do. Oh, Fandan.
Fandan! Keep coming, Fandan! Fandan! That's it, keep coming! Where have you been, Fandan? Take a seat, Fandan! I bet you a tea or a coffee, Fandan, or a soft drink! Fandan!
Aye. It's been a long haul, Rory, but we're finally here.
Yes, indeed, Alistair. The ramparts of Glenfechel Castle. I think you'll agree, quite some sight.
That was in 1540 that Sir Thomas Wendell led his army to this very spot.
But to no avail, for he was valiantly thwarted by Douglas Bogle, and he's tired and hungry and diminished, fighting force of only 8 men.
With these very cannons, Rory, Wendell was sent homewards to think again.
I don't feel too clever.
We've totally blasted you, you couple of fannies!
Stop filming.
Oh, birthday girl, don't you look gorgeous?
Thanks, Auntie Brenda.
Do you know birthdays are great, aren't they? You get all these lovely presents and you get to wear a pretty dress and you get all this attention. I bet your wee heart's going like that. In a minute, Rosie, what's your best present been so far?
I think it must...
I bet you it's not been as nice as this one.
Brenda.
Hold on a second, Rosie is trying to open the present that I bought her. Go ahead, Rosie, open it.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rosie. Happy birthday to you.
Just blow your candles out, Rosie.
I'm pregnant! I think I did a test. My heart was like that. But I suppose that makes it a kind of double celebration, doesn't it? Come on, Rosie, help me blow the candles out. There.
Look at that. Right, somebody's plugging it into that baby, yeah?
Right, who's this? Hold in, professional. Fix for you, boys and girls?
Here, no want a tin of beans.
No, I've still got half a can in the house, sure.
What the bloody hell's going on? What are you doing?
Boosting myself a can of salmon.
And yeah, if you're not, get it put back.
I'll be bloody right. It's mine's now. Do yourself a favour and stick one in your tail now.
Why, that'll be right, eh? Then what? Captured.
Oh, give yourself a shake. It's not as if we're going to get caught.
See that sign up there? Shoplifters will be prosecuted. Now that is not
Are
up
you
there
not
for...
listening to me? Look down there. What do you see down there?
A mirror.
That's right. Well, that mirror only sees up to the pasta. You see that camera up there? That only sees down to the milk. We are standing, my friend, in what is famously known as the Swifty Shop blind spot. All Tam put me onto it. All the pensioners know about it. That is, except you, Victor. Honest Victor, the salmon buying chump.
Aye, well, it's still no right.
When was the last time you'd your Nat King?
A bloody minute. What's that got to do with anything?
This, Victor, is your replacement. See the buzz you get? It's incredible. It's better than sex.
Are you telling me that a cold tin of salmon jammed up against your clacker bag is better than sex?
Aye.
I'm not getting a buzz.
No, you don't get the buzz just now. You get the buzz when you leave the store a free man, 1 tin of salmon up. How you feeling now?
Aye, wee bit excited. Aye, nice wee buzz.
Good for you, fella. Just enjoy it. It's your salmon now, you see.
I've got to say though, Jack, I'm nervous and a wee bit hot.
That's just because you're coming up too fast. Just relax.
Oh, Jack. I'm going to make a run for it.
Victor, take your time, relax. There's nothing to it. We're just a couple of old pensioners getting our provisions. Honest as the day's long, see?
Oh, she's a store detective.
I'm telling you, Jack, that bran is pish. It's a cover. There's a rubber weighing in that. She's going to take us down.
Load of shite. Your arse is collapsing, can't you?
Oh, I don't like it, Jack.
I'm not doing a stretch for a lousy tin of salmon. I'll not be anybody's sell bits for £1.29.
See, you're going to get us busted. Shut up, come on. Hello there, son. How are you?
Hello, Jack. Hello, Victor. Out getting your messages, eh?
Aye, that's right, Polly. What of it?
Nothing. I'm just saying hello.
What I'm having, Jack!
I've 2 Empire biscuits, half a dozen totty scones and a milk loaf, please. You're awful busy for a Wednesday, Irene.
It's a film crew making a film.
That is so sweet, baby. Baby, that is so sweet.
Doing great, Dolores. Just keep going. Another couple of minutes, Sticks. Then we get the money shot.
Okay.
That's it.
Oh, here, do you think you need any extras?
No, nobody likes, I think.